Hi everyone, I want to present you a new plugin that has been shipped that improves the experience of having a donation page for your effort. It's called Open Patron. It has been developed by the creator of the Tether integration plugin, Vincent. I will share the link later. And as you know, like in BTCPay server, you have already the point of sale where you can get sort of a donation page. But the problem with the page of the point of sale is that it's kind of inflexible. You cannot really change too much things. More importantly, it doesn't allow to receive recurring donations. So I will show you how this project solved everything. So as you can see, you can keep donating a custom amount, and everything you see in this page is actually customizable. So you can do whatever you want. You can put your Nostr link, Twitter, GitHub, whatever. And more importantly, if you go down, you can see that you can become a sponsor and subscribe for a plan. So for example, if you want to give me a monthly lunch, you can go there, become a subscriber and put your email, pay, and boom, every month you will be reminded that you need to buy me a lunch because else I cannot code. So how does it work? So you have to install the Open Patron plugin, and you will see here it will appear, and you can create a new app. And the best in BTCPay server is of course Rockstar Dev. So I will create a donation page for him, and you have 3 different templates. Okay. Those templates you can customize as you want. It's really to get started. It's not really important. But if you select personal, for example, by default, you will see exactly the same page I showed you just before. It's like the donation page for myself. However, we don't want that. We want a page for Rockstar Dev. So how do we customize this? So you have all this page to customize everything. So you have lots of blocks that you can decide to remove or put. So for example, if I remove the sponsor wall here, the project grid, I will keep the description. If I save and I go back here, you see there is a bit less crowded. And then, for example, if I want to change here like the description, I can just click on the button. It's a bit small. It's probably a bug, but if you click here, you can see that you can customize your block as you see fit. I don't know what does this one do. Okay, so you can do whatever you want, but more importantly, you can export everything into JSON. And why it's important is because LLM really like JSON. So I can just say change this donation page for Nicolas Dorier to Rockstar Dev. So I paste that. I will ask him to think a little bit. Okay, medium. Okay. When it's done, you copy paste this, you put it back and save. And let's see how the page looks like. Okay, it's better, but I don't see the Nostr link. Do you have a Nostr link for Rockstar? Okay, so the npub seems to be this, so I can easily go to the profile hero, blah blah blah, Nostr, copy, boom, save, and now I can see directly a way to go to the Nostr page. So it's pretty interesting way of customizing it. You can decide to make several different layouts. So for example, if I do the full layout and I save, you will see it will not be in 2 column anymore. And the last thing I want to show you is that it's supporting, like I said, like subscriptions. And how it works is that if you go down, you have a link here that go to manage subscription plans. So this is built on top of the concept of subscription in BTCPay server. And you can see by default, it will create three plans. You can change whatever you want in this plan. So for example, if there is inflation, it's not a $3 morning coffee, it's a $5 morning coffee. And you refresh the page, you will see it will change probably here. And you can basically change everything that you want in your plan in this page. And you can also customize the email that are sent to your subscriber here. Of course, the mails to be sent properly need proper configuration. So if you didn't do it yet, email configuration here, configure email, and then you set up everything, okay? And that's about it. I think we check, and that's about it. There is also a embedded badge if you want to put in Markdown that you can copy paste from there. You can discover a bit this plugin. There is lots of option. I'm sure there is a lot of bug here and there that you guys will find, but we will just improve it over time. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.